Sıradaki sunumumuzun adı Sea Studies. Tahminimce denizle ilgili bir deniz çalışmaları ile ilgili. Değil mi hocam? Hocam sakalını okşadığına göre onaylıyor demektir. Çıkışta beni bulamayacaksınız. Hızlı koşarım. Hiç şansınız yok. Sea Studies sunumu için Miro Soares.
Good evening. First, very glad to be here. Thank you for
Very nice.
the invitation, the team from the festival. Well, I'm a Brazilian lens-based artist based in Paris since a couple of years, and I'm gonna show some different works. Some of them it's video, some of them photographies and video installations. So these three first images, it's a series of photography. It's called Self-Portrait Overseas. It's one of these artworks I made recently in Latvia during an Arts in Residence program this winter. So there is this long exposure photographies during the night mostly, and well, it's about 10 seconds, 15 seconds this image, and I get this more or less transparent image of myself. So this is the artwork we have in the festival. It's called Sea Studies. This is a 3-screen video installation. This one was also made in Latvia during the residence. So it's actually it's a installation with image from Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia, these 3 countries in the Baltics, and it makes a portrait of the region from the winter this year and summer last year. So pretty much a long time footage made these last 2 years. The next work I also think was this is also a 3-screen video installation. This one was made last year in Lithuania. Will be just I think we will move to the other image very fast. Will that be easy to comment? But there are some red lines installations on these small rivers, and yeah, this was the way how it was installed in the gallery, corresponding the point of view of the camera. It will be pretty much tricky because I have some different images, and I think I should maybe have selected last to talk more about their works. But this was my decision, just to have a kind of general idea about the works. So pretty much I think we can just see some image. This is the map of the region of Bergen in Norway. I bought 6 different maps and I connect them and I put them to float on the water. So this is a video actually, and then you have the maps floating on the water. And this is called Cartographies Overseas. This second one, it's the same name, the second series of this work. This is 3 screens, and then we have this kind of oil on the water that myself I've considered to be a kind of maps, and it retakes also my drawing. This one is called Imprecise Itineraries. It was commissioned from Centre Pompidou in Paris. It was made also in Bergen during winter, and it's like a 7 days walk in the city with a map that I ask people to draw any itinerary I should follow. And this one, it's a video installation with 24 hours of this landscape these seascapes in Bergen as well. I relate this work with a Norwegian painter called Johan Christian Dahl. It's a romanticist painter from landscapes. So pretty much my work has this connection with landscapes and also with travel. Most of these works were made during different stays in different countries, mostly in Europe, but also South America. This one was made in Germany about 2 years ago. There is it's a photograph series with this door, and I take this door and I carry it to different landscapes. So I think there is another one there. Yeah, so pretty much this as a door, as a passage from different landscapes. have to see which one is the next image. But pretty much there is this concept in my work that is to work with the context, to go in a trip and try to experience the place and see what can I get from this experience. Try to exercise the imagination and the works to be produced in the place. This one was the sunflowers field, and this work's called Sunflowers at Midnight. Was actually shot at after midnight and 3 in the morning. And this is how it was shown in Brazil in this light box. This we have 2 photographs, each one it's 3 meters for 2 meters. And yeah, was this night works. This is an audio installation. Of course, we can have any idea about this work. This was a huge industrial lift in Finland, and there is this soundtrack with the sound of the earthquake and underground sounds in the earth from the scientists from Potsdam Earth Science Institute. This is one of these night shots, these long exposure photographs. Also made this winter in Latvia. And I think the last series, it's some photographs that were made in Brazil recently. Like the work I'm showing in the festival here, it's pretty much about some landscapes connected to the rivers. This series of photography was made last year when I've made like 3 different journeys by boat in 3 different rivers in Amazon, and then it was a way to explore this difference in the environment, like these huge brown rivers, these small and clean rivers or transparent rivers. So this get an idea about the environment in the region. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Teşekkürler abi, sağ ol. Ali abi. Ali abi.